Hey there, it's Elizabeth and welcome back to my channel. Glad you're here. I hope y'all are doing well. Today, this is my BBB, my Big Bad Beauty glue book. And so I thought I would come on and share the progress I've made in it over, the last few months. This book is heavily inspired by Nicole at Relax.Cut.Glue. So go over there and check her out. She is my glue book guru, okay? Love her. Oh, I think my husband's awake. Okay, so I've done a few spreads in here that you've seen. This book right here is an ARTEZA watercolor book. I did a collaboration with them a few years ago, and I had this in my stash. And so when I saw Nicole doing her big book, I really liked the size and I thought, oh, I'd like to do that. Yes. And I've been glue booking for a while. I took a break for several years just because I was doing other things. And yeah, and then I became friends with Nicole through Instagram, and then she started her YouTube channel, and now I'm back into it. And I have to say, I really enjoy it. Yes, I really do. So let's just get started without further ado. Okay, this is what the book looks like on the inside. Oh, in case you're wondering, I just want to make sure that you guys can see everything. Let's get a ruler. You would think in this craft room I would have one just right at the tip of my fingers, right? Nope, nope, not on this channel. Okay, so this book is about 11 3/4 by about 8 1/4. Okay, it's a big book, and I do double spreads in it. Okay, this is the front cover, and I probably will do one at some point. A spread on this right here. How I work in this book is I go from front to back, These signatures are all sewn in signatures, so, and I think they're cold press if I'm not mistaken, but the pictures glue in really nicely. So this is the very first spread I ever did, and I really, really enjoyed it. I'm just gonna check and make sure that it's not too glary. Let's see. Okay, that's a little better. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. So this was my first spread, and this is from Elle magazine, but my dear friend Brooke calls me Elle, and a lot of you guys call me Elle. And I also had a question on my channel, like, do I call you Elizabeth or Elle or which? And it doesn't really matter. Just don't call me late for dinner. Just kidding. Okay, yeah, some people call me Elle, which is fine. Some people call me Elizabeth. I do not go by Lizzie, Liz, Beth, Betty, or any of those other names. Yeah, I go by Elle or I go by Elizabeth. So, little tidbit of trivia. I just love, all of these are little fussy cut images. This is so much fun. But you could see like the background pictures, right? Like this is a background picture, love her, and the flowers. This is just precious to me. This right here, beautiful. This, oh God, I just love it. I love images so much. Like this right here is a fussy cut image of a girl in a beautiful orange dress. Just beautiful. I just love it. Okay, so then we have nothing. And nothing. And nothing. All these pages just calling out, fill me, fill me. Okay, then we have this one that I just recently did. And let me know in the comments, for those of you who glue book or whatever, do you date when you do the pages? I don't know. I'm sure I'll date the book somehow. I'll probably put in the back like when I started it and when I finished it. So yeah, I just answered my own question. Look at that little goat hiding there. Yeah, this was a fun page. A lot of these background images, all of the background images came from my dear friend Barbara, right? And then a lot of the words, this is her handwriting, love it, because it's a picture of Cornwall that she sent me. This was she sent me words and everything, and then I went through my stash to fill in, excuse me, a little bit. So nice. Okay, blank, blank, Blink. Okay, here's one that I did. I really enjoyed this one too. This is just not quite so busy. It seems like that. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. I like this little dog here. Yeah, I like it all. And what I like about this book too is that you put the pictures down and they really go down smoothly. I mean, I have to say, they go down really, really smoothly. I don't know what that is that I'm trying to pick off. None of the pages have stuck together, okay? I haven't had to do too many repairs, you know. I mean, I've only had it, I started it this year in 2020. All these are blank. Okay, here's my pretty in pink page. This was another happy mail. I had received a happy mail from a sweet friend, and look at all of these. Oh my gosh. Everything was pink. It was so fun. This was a very fun page indeed. And then this page, I really enjoyed this page too. This was among my first pages as well. Remember, I don't know if you remember, but these two, this lady here and the tortoise here had the same designer. Remember? I remember that. And she's like eyeing that cocktail right there. Or the bracelets, one or the other. I don't know. This one's having a moment. Yeah, this was a fun spread to do. They're just so fun. They really are just so fun. So if you have not tried glue booking yet, give it a go. And a lot of times too, like the hunt for pictures is almost as fun as gluing them down. Oh, this was among my first as well. So I have like 3 firsts. Is that possible? Yeah, I like this one too. This dude up here focusing, and she's spying on people. I don't know what she's doing. I always love watches. You know how I love my pink. I love pictures of ladies too. Yeah, so much fun. And that's it. So yeah, on the back here, well, in these books, there is a plastic pocket. I might even see if I can get this plastic pocket out of here. Yeah, oh, wait a second. Hold the phone. I think I can. Yeah, I think it'll come right out without ruining the book too much. And then I could either do like a spread on this part too, you know, why not? And then like put the date somewhere. I don't know. But, and if you ask me which one's my favorite, I cannot tell a lie. I don't have one. I really don't have one. Because they were all fun to do. They all bring back memories of doing them and funny little things that I thought of when I was doing them. This one from Happy Mail, so pretty. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that little flip through, and I hope to, you know, continue to work in this book because it is so much fun. This is my latest one, and this, of course, was my very first one. So, yeah, I hope you like that little flip through there, and I will keep you abreast of any, you know, goings on in the book. Yeah, I'll let you know. So that was a really short, sweet video. I hope you enjoyed that, and I cannot wait to do another flip through as soon as I get some more pages done, because I love doing this. It's so much fun, so much fun. So yeah, hit that subscribe button if you want, and the notification bell to get notified the next time a video comes out. I usually, this is a side thing that I like to do, this glue booking. It's just a fun, relaxing pastime. Nothing on here really makes any sense. It's just all these things are just beautiful to me, like just their expressions or the flowers, the orchids, you know. It's just all of my favorite things all just thrown up on a page. Yep, and I like it. I like it a lot. So if you haven't tried it, you know, look up glue booking, check out Nicole, and give it a go. Give it a go, because it's a lot of fun. I'm gonna go right now and harvest some magazines so I can have more images. So thank you again for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this, and I will catch you all real soon. Bye for now.